Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, the microwave coconut cream is the star of the show, but I'm going to be showing you all sorts of different ways to use it because it is so versatile and so yummy. And by the way, you can leave the coconut out. I will leave the instructions for that below. So let's get into it. Okay, so to get started, I have a microwave safe container. This is a 4-cup container. Honestly, it's not big enough, but it's the only one I have right now. So I would recommend going bigger. And to that, and all the recipe quantities will be down below, but anyway, sugar, just regular granulated sugar, whole milk, and coconut. You want to use unsweetened coconut. It's just gonna, you can use sweetened, but the recipe's written for unsweetened and it's gonna work best with that. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, and again, the quantities will be down below. Okay, and then lastly, we're gonna add in full fat coconut milk. And it's all separated, even though I gave it a good shake. So I'll be back with a spatula. Okay, so here I am, and the coconut cream stuck at the bottom, or at the top. I think I opened it from the bottom. That's why it's at the bottom. Normally it floats to the top. Anyway, I'm gonna scrape this all out and come back. All of this milky mixture is together, and I'm just gonna give it a quick whisk. Okay, so this coconut cream can be made on the stovetop, but I'm gonna make it in the microwave because that's my preference. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix it and try to get all those chunky coconut lumps out. And yeah, now we're gonna head over to the microwave and heat this mixture up. Okay, so the milk mixture is headed into the microwave for 2 minutes. Avert your eyes, it's kind of messy. I haven't washed it since the last video. 2 minutes. That's going. Let's go make the next component. Okay, so you can hear the gentle hum of the microwave going, pretty comforting. While that's microwaving, let's make the next part of this. So I have 6 egg yolks in here. The egg whites are in a separate bowl. We will not use those in this recipe, so you can make yourself a little healthy egg white omelet or something to balance this out. So I'm gonna add cornstarch to this, and I'm gonna make a really big mess. So hang on to your hats. And then I'm also gonna add sugar, some more sugar. You guys think I'm gonna be able to do this? I'll be right back. Okay, so I was looking for a nice aesthetic container to mix this in, and I found this. So it's gonna be super cute. But anyway, let's do this. So this will work much better. Okay, got all of that out of there, and now it's just in my daisy. You guys are seeing 100% real me right now. Okay, milk's done. Hang on, we'll be there. It's probably gonna keep beeping incessantly. Okay, so I'm just giving this a mix. You guys can see it. And just want to beat it till there's no lumps left in it. Okay, so you guys see it? Yeah, it looks just like that. That's what we're going for. Let's go get the milk. Okay, the gang's all here. I've got the milk mixture. I've got the yolk mixture. So here's what we need to do. If we mix this right now, the yolks will scramble and it will be a disaster. So what we have to do is we have to temper the eggs. What this means is that we're gonna slowly add a little bit of the milk mixture to the yolks and kind of bring it up to temperature, bring this down to temperature, kind of find a medium spot for a little bit of it. Anyway, and then we'll put it all back together. So here's what I mean. Taking my milk mixture. Also, when I wrote this in my cookbook, my brother-in-law helped proof it, and he did not understand this process, and I don't know if it's because he's never made it before or because it was written confusingly, but I tried to straighten it out the best I could. So anyway, adding just a bit of this milk mixture, like maybe, I'm just starting with maybe 1/4 of a cup and I'm giving it a mix, and then maybe another couple tablespoons, giving it a mix. You just kind of want to mix it as it comes into the container. And again, this milk mixture is hot, so we do want to be careful. So I'm just going to keep adding little bits of it. And you could, honestly, the way that I'm sitting right now makes it really hard to like hold this and stir this, but that's usually what I do. So yeah, if you like this style of video or if you hate this style of video, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. Okay, so you guys can see, again, there we go. It is loosened up, and now these egg yolks are mixed with the milk. And we've added about a half a cup-ish, and that's great. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back into the hot milk. We've tempered the eggs, we've brought them up to temperature slowly, and now they're ready to go into the milk mixture. Okay, so here's the milk mixture. Is it gonna come down? Yeah. Okay, there's the milk mixture, and we're gonna slowly add the egg yolk mixture in, and we're just gonna give it a mix this way. Slowly, slowly, and they're starting to come together, and we're good. Okay, we've successfully tempered the eggs, and we're ready for the next step. Now this mixture is ready to be cooked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the microwave on 1 to 2 minute intervals until it is thickened up. So right now, my plan is to head to the microwave and put this in for 2 minutes. So she's back from the microwave, and we're gonna give a quick stir. Now you can see it's thickening up, but she's still got a ways to go. So we're just giving it a stir to distribute the heat, and then she's back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. See you in 2. Okay, it's back from the microwave, and things are looking different. You can see it from here. It is thick. Okay, so in order for this to be the most luscious, delicious coconut cream filling, we have to add butter, obviously. So we're gonna add in a couple tablespoons of butter, and then we're also going to add in some vanilla. We don't add it until the end so that it stays in there. The flavor doesn't cook out. And then we'll just give this a mix. I usually just bury the butter in the hot coconut cream, and it'll just melt right up, and it will become so silky and delicious. Okay, so we are done. All you need to do is cool this off to room temperature. Once it's room temperature, you're gonna cover it with plastic wrap, pressing it to the surface so that a skin doesn't form. And then once it's chilled, you are ready to use it in all of these ways. One great way to use the coconut cream is on a stack of pancakes. Bake up your favorite pancakes and then top them with loads of the coconut cream, and then also add whipped cream. This is actually my favorite whipped frosting, and that video will be coming out shortly, so if it's up, the link will be in the bio. And then I like topping it with toasted coconut. This is a perfect breakfast dish. Another way to use the coconut cream is in these little shooter glasses, and I just put a graham cracker crust following the package directions and top it again with that whipped frosting and some toasted coconut. I hope you found that video useful. You guys, this coconut cream recipe comes from my new cookbook, Capsule Cupcakes, and I show step-by-step pictures for that coconut cream recipe, as well as 12 other basic recipes that I think you need in your arsenal. And then I show you different ways to mix and match them, like my almond coconut cupcake. I use this filling in my coconut cream pie, and you guys, there's lots of other fun variations. So if you are interested in it, it'll be down in the link. It's $15.99 on Amazon. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.